Hey guys, welcome to a collaboration between Twisted Outdoors and Daddy's Life. That's where you guys came in and said, and Daddy's Life, but that's okay, I got it. This is a video today testing out the new explosive practice head for an arrow. So, what do you guys think of that?
Oh, I think it should be exciting if it works.
You ever seen one?
Yeah, can't say I have. This is going to be one heck of a show if it works.
Won't even need broadheads anymore if it works.
That's right, all we're going to need is practice heads. They're a lot cheaper. Well, these may not be. They got explosives in them.
But you ain't got to change it.
Yeah.
That's right.
You ain't got to adjust it to broadheads anymore.
Yep.
Shoot to your field point.
You're
good.
A lot more accurate that way. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the action and see if we can't blow up this foam target. So let's get at it.
See, if you spend a decent amount on your targets, I wouldn't suggest this.
Hey girl. Hey girl. You ain't gonna want to hang out down there.
Jumper.
I don't even know what to say.
That was awesome. I can't believe that son of a gun blew up the way it did. God bless you.
I didn't have it. I didn't have it.
I seen the camera coming at me and it was just like.
Had it zoomed in.
What'd you have it up? My nostril?
Yeah, I can see your brain.
Let's go see if the action camera still survives.
Well, that worked just as planned.
How often can you say that?
I'm curious to see if the arrow survived.
There's one. This looks good.
There's the arrow right there.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Still intact. Nothing wrong with
My gosh. Dukes of Hazzard there.
Dang right. I'm gonna take this arrow hunting with me.
Might be lucky arrows.
May not have a deer left.
Footage off that camera.
What was inside this target?
I wouldn't kick it.
Get a little extra boom out of it.
Yeah.
Break a guy's foot. We'll mow the rest of that over. Probably blow up the mower again like we did the other video.
Footage.
That right there is the new explosive, if you will, practice tips for bow and arrows. I think I'm going to get a few more and probably use them on the animals. May use them on the cats I got running around my house crapping in the flower beds.
Wouldn't be much of a tracking job.
Son of a bucks.
There definitely wouldn't be any tracking.
No, there won't be any tracking, that's for
Just watch the
sure.
fur fly.
You may have a little trouble finding the meat and antlers from the deer if you shoot a deer.
Yeah, they may launch quite a ways.
You definitely don't want to shoot these at all your targets, especially if they're, you know, a lot of targets are $40 pop. Well, I think that's a wrap. I got deer to kill. I need to head out to the timber right now, so we'll see you all later. Well, y'all go check out these Twisted Outdoors boys right here. These are some family members. He's not, but I'll claim him.
I'll take that.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.